Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned how to ask smart questions using multiple sources inside a notebook. Now in this lecture, we are going to learn how to ask questions using only selected source in Google NotebookLM. This is extremely useful when your notebook contains many documents and you want precise answers from specific sources only. Let's look at the screen. I am inside the notebook called AI Research Project. On the left side in the sources panel, you can see multiple sources added to this notebook. We have PDFs, Google Docs, a YouTube video, an image and other files. By default, NotebookLM uses all available sources when answering a question. But sometimes you don't want that. Sometimes you want answers from only a few specific documents. That is where source selection comes in. Now watch carefully. In the sources panel, each source has a checkbox next to it. If I check a source, it becomes selected. If I uncheck a source, it is excluded from the conversation. Let me demonstrate this. First, let's unselect all the sources. Now let's select AI_fundamentals.pdf and AI study notes, Google Doc. I leave all other sources unchecked. Now look at the chat area at the bottom. You can see a small label that says 2 sources depending on how many we have selected. This tells us clearly how many sources NotebookLM will use for the next question. This is very important. NotebookLM is now restricted to only the selected sources. Now let's ask a question. Explain artificial intelligence in simple terms. And press enter. NotebookLM now generates an answer using only the selected PDF and Google Doc. Notice the citations. They come only from those 2 sources. The YouTube video, the image, and the other documents are completely ignored. This gives you much tighter control over the answers. Now let's change the selection. I uncheck the PDF and Google Doc. Now I select only the YouTube video source. Look at the chat area again. The source count changes. This confirms that NotebookLM understands which sources are active. Now I ask, what examples of AI are explained in this video? Press enter. NotebookLM now answers based only on the video content. This is extremely helpful when analyzing long videos or specific lectures. Now let's do one more example. I select 3 sources this time. 1 PDF, 1 article link, and 1 Google Doc. Now I ask, list real-world applications of AI mentioned in the selected sources. NotebookLM now combines information from exactly those 3 sources. This allows you to compare ideas across specific documents without noise from unrelated material. Now let me share some practical use cases. If you are a student, you can select only exam-relevant notes and ignore extra material. If you are a developer, you can select only official documentation and ignore blogs. If you are a researcher, you can select only peer-reviewed papers and exclude summaries. This feature gives you precision control over your learning. One common mistake to avoid. If you forget which sources are selected, you may get incomplete answers. Always glance at the source count near the chat input before asking a question. That small indicator can save you a lot of confusion. So let's summarize. By selecting and unselecting sources, you control what NotebookLM uses to answer questions. The chat clearly shows how many sources are active. And NotebookLM always respects your selection.